I put together some of my favorites. And when I say favorites, I mean most used layouts in a spiral notebook. I've gone back and really looked at what's worked and what I use my planner for. And in this case, a whole bunch of different things, because some weeks there's busy weeks and other weeks there's not busy weeks. Welcome everyone. My name is April and this is Plan with April. And today we are going to do a flip through of some spiral notebook layouts. So this first one is a very common vertical layout, very similar to a planner that you would get, off mainstream. The great thing about this one is this one's on Monday through Friday. This is my work week. So Monday through Friday, I have a very set schedule. So you'll see on Monday, I've just taken my Tombow marker and put in a header for each one. And then went through and did, my work, different things I needed to get done. And then down below, I've got my drive time, what we're having for dinner, what we're watching, things I need to do in the evening, kind of like my evening routine, but it's different every night. Also, you'll know that notice I put a piece of washi tape here. That was just to add a pop of color. Underneath the washi tape, I actually used the Tombow marker in my pen and just drew a line with an arrow. So you can see that too. And both work perfectly fine. It's totally up to you. If you don't want to use washi tape for the week, that's fine. If you don't want to bulk up your spiral notebook, that's totally fine. And you can use different colors too. Whatever color speaks to you for that week. And then on the side, of course, I've got a list, just an ongoing list. The top, I also put in the weather. That's something I always include. I'm not really sure why, other than I look forward to the days that it's not raining here in the Pacific Northwest. So that's my weather. And then on this side of the planner, I did a little freestyle, almost like a bullet journal type thing, where I highlighted Monday and then I went through, I used some Coffee Monsters Co. stickers throughout this whole theme. And I just put in things that I knew I needed to do or things that I knew I wanted to do. It wasn't a very busy week, so keeping track of everything was super easy. And then when Monday was over, instead of having, this part of the column just blank or stickered or, whatever, I just put Tuesday in and then went through the day for Tuesday. Up at the top here, again, I went in with Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend. And I probably could have put the weekend as Saturday and Sunday and moved Friday down here, but I wanted to show you too, if you've got a little space in here, you can grab your washi. I think I'm gonna do this one because I do need kind of a bigger piece. Grab your washi tape. If you don't have these D-ring organizers, they're tagged down below. They are a huge lifesaver. I love them. All of my washi tape is so much more organized, and it just hangs right above my desk on a command hook. So I need to tear that just a tiny bit. There we have it. Just a little decorative piece of washi tape, and this layout is done. You could put another one up here if you wanted to. Let's say we want to stick with the yellow. Let's grab some bees. Be happy. Let's grab some bees off of here. Tear that off of there. Just gonna tear this in so that it's also rough. Oop, there goes my heater. We are still chilly here, so I still have my heater on back here in the planning room. So that, I feel like that really finished it off. Just gave it just a little pop of something. Then we work over here. This is another weekly layout where it's more of a horizontal a horizontal layout versus a vertical layout. So got our meals over here. Again, I just used the Tombow marker to mark in, the headers, and then listed off the meals, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend, and just lumped it in there. I could have also taken a pen and drawn the line to really dedicate the sections to the week, but I like the look of this. When I got done with it, I was like really, really happy with it. And again, just a piece of washi tape at the bottom, and One Day at a Time, a sticker from the Happy Planner sticker book. Same with this one and this list. So pretty easy. And all I did over here, I did use some Coffee Monsters Co. stickers, and I used the weather stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs. I'm using what I have. I'm not buying new. This one was a lot of fun. This is a kit that I got, a stationery kit that I got from AliExpress, oh, quite a while ago. And the envelopes are too small to mail by themselves. They don't fit the US standard. So I'm like, what am I going to do with all of this beautiful stationery other than, you know, write a note and put it inside my letter, which I have. So I put the brand up here, and then I just wrote some positive and kind words here. And then in here, I left a note about February 20th. So, and the significant is Wes's birthday. This one I didn't fill out. I just wanted to show an example, and I feel like my other ones got a little cluttered with all of my planning in it. So let me know down below which one you like better, the one that has all of my scribbles in it, or the ones that have the idea, but then, you know, you can see how to fill it out. It's like when you invite someone over when you're not selling your house versus when you're selling your house and you have it staged, or when you have it like I do with all your books and your clutter, and you know, it's you. So this is my staged house. It's really pretty and it's really clean and it's super tidy. Let me know which version you like better. So again, here I just took a Tombow marker and I just scribbled what looks like boxes, wrote in the days, and then I used Coffee Monsters Co. numbers and stickers just to liven it up a little bit. So if you're new here, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. If you haven't hit that like button, please do. And if you so far liked the content, please consider subscribing. It's free and it does help the channel and our community out quite a bit. So moving on, these are sticky notes, and I have a surplus of sticky notes, and I thought I'm just gonna do a weekly layout. So I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then for the weekend. I know, right? I was trying to keep it within the 3. So just a checklist on this side. So you can see kind of, you know, I've got work. I know that's kind of a theme. Monday through Friday, it is a theme for now anyway. And then just the things that I want to get done on the weekend. And then when we go over here, this is another one of those. I've got meals, and then I've got expenses. This is all washi tape here, here. I feel like I'm on an airline. Exits are here. Some may be behind you. And then I just have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Marked the weather here. This is very similar to which one? This one. Very similar to this one as far as the layout, but they look a little bit different, right? Another one with the sticky notes. So this I wrote in with my silver ink pen and my black pen. So I don't know if the camera catches the silver very well, but it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's a Signo. It's a Signo silver. I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend again. I just outlined it with my black G210 just to give it a little something, and then put a strip of washi tape over there. So I really do like how this one came out. I like the colors. I like how they blend together. I almost like the colors better than I do these ones, but again, I have so many sticky notes. Then we move on to a daily. I started at 5:30 and went to 9 and just put in all of my schedule in here, using a couple different ways of filming. So I want to make sure everybody can see everything. So I have all my things I need to do at a certain time, my chores, my recipes, and then, you know, make time for me. And then I've got the weather in there. So super easy. I've just got some washi tape, This boho washi tape is also down below. Okay, and then this is our last layout, and I really, 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 really am happy with this one. So make sure all the cameras are in view. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Washi tape, dots, and that is it. And then I just took one of the Crayola Around the World, Crayola's of Colors of the World, and put in the date. I wrote in it with 2 different pens. I used the G210, G2 and then I did a Sharpie marker for the darker, for the dates. I really, really like this layout. I love that the Post-it notes are lined, and I love the color of them because, of course, they're a beautiful, beautiful neutral. I love that I got to put in just a little pop of decorative and kind of set it apart. So let me know down below in the comments, would you like to see me do a plan with me to lay this out and show you how I did it, what products I used, and how I get them on the paper and then set it up? If you do, let me know down in the comments. Again, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more spiral notebook planning as well as composition notebook planning. So if that is your thing, you'll definitely want to hang out. I will talk to you soon. I'll see you in the comments. I love you. I hope you have a really good day, and I'm so glad you're here.